Today, I'll show you how to remove ERPNext from your Frappe Cloud dashboard safely and efficiently. First, log into Frappe Cloud and navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your sites. Double check the site you want to remove. Selecting the wrong one will permanently delete all data. Next, click the Actions button next to the site and select Drop Site. A confirmation prompt will appear. This is your last chance to ensure you've backed up any important data. Once confirmed, the site and all associated ERPNext data will be permanently removed. If you're hesitant about full deletion, look for the Reset Site option. This can fix issues without losing all your data. And that's it. With these steps, you can safely manage and remove ERPNext sites on Frappe Cloud. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more ERPNext tips.